Today I am going to share crispy Maggi noodles pakora recipe. Quick and easy, less ingredients needed. Adding 3 pack of Maggi noodles in a boiling water. Stir. Do not add too much water. Add Maggi noodles masala. Stir and mix. Done. Transfer to the bowl. Let it cool. Onion 1 cup. Green chili 2 tablespoon. Coriander leaf 2 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Corn flour 1/3 cup. Egg 2. Salt to taste. Mix together. Done. Fry. Flip. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.